Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting your gift card number and PIN out of the envelope or email. This saves time at checkout. Next, sign into your Nike account. You can create one quickly if needed, because save details speed payment. Once done, add items to your cart and confirm the subtotal, taxes, and shipping costs so you know how much the gift card must cover. Make sure your billing address matches the account to avoid verification holds. At checkout, choose payment method and click the option for gift card or promo. You should enter the gift card number and PIN exactly as printed because a single-digit error will reject it. Type carefully. After you apply the card, Nike will subtract the amount from your order and show any remaining balance. If the card doesn't cover full cost, you can pay the difference with another card or digital wallet. This two-step payment is supported and straightforward. Complete your order by reviewing items, shipping, and final total, then confirm payment. You'll get an order confirmation number, save it. If the gift card is declined, first recheck the number and PIN, then confirm the card was activated at purchase. Unactivated cards are the most common issue. Once done, try a different browser or clear cache if the site errors, and contact Nike support with your confirmation and card details if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.